People with metabolic disorders are increasing over the years. Is there no other natural way to tackle this issue besides diet and exercise? Of course there is. In today's video, I will teach you a massage that may improve your metabolism or even lower your triglyceride, glucose, and even urine acid. Don't worry. The massage is very simple. I will break it into 2 steps. The first step is finding the massage point. It is along the inside and under your tibia. And feel the knot or lump along this area. You will find a knot here if you have metabolic disorder. And the next step is massaging that knot. Put your thumb on the knot like this. Massage that knot slowly. I would recommend doing this massage at least 15 minutes each side every day. You can do this on both legs simultaneously. Remember, it is a gradual process. So please be patient. This massage can help you clear the spleen meridian, which is essential to digestion and metabolism according to traditional Chinese medicine. Okay, that's today's session. Give a like if you find this info helpful. I will see you in my next one.